Hi guys, today we're going to be doing a Volkswagen Tiguan 2010 model. Just going to replace a factory head unit here to a aftermarket one with Bluetooth, USB and radio. Okay, so it's going to be a quick and simple process. I'm going to use a lot of harnesses and stuff like that, which I don't normally use in the past, but just so they can retain the steering wheel control and stuff. That's what the customers asked for, so yeah. Let me show you how to do it. Okay, first off, these guys need to come off because there's two screws behind here. Then we can take the surround off, and then we can get to the four screws there. Pretty sure they're torque bits there, so yeah, they're torque bits. It's a T15, that's what you need to get to this. T15, a little flat blade so you can pop these guys out, and also just a plastic pick to remove the trim without scratching anything. So let me show you how to get it done. So yeah, that works. So we don't need any more, turn it off and let's get started. So put it under here and pop it back. Okay, that should come up, and then just pull it out, same as this one here. Pop it up and pull it out. Okay, so you just need to just get past the plastic clips there. Okay, and then pry it out. And you got the two torque bits screwed there. So we're just using a drill today just to make it quicker. One, two. Now using your plastic pick, go from underneath here, push it in, and that pops out a little bit, and then just pry it slowly around. And on this side as well. Come up when you get to about here, shove it in, pop, and pop. Okay, so just move that back bit. Okay, and then with this, a little bit tricky. So you got this little blue tab sort of thing. So push that back. Okay, once it's back, you can press on this to help it come out. Okay, like that. So the trim's out. Just fold it back on itself there. Not going to need it for a little while. So now we've got the four torque bits that is very common with the Volkswagen's head units. Okay, that ranges from your Golf, your Passat, Tiguan, of course. It's very common. I think even one of the transporter might be using the same head unit as well. It's very common. Also with this one here, it's got CAN bus as well. So what happens is it's got a wire for your constant, to keep the memory, but for your accessory it goes through a CAN bus system. So what that means is communicates with the car's computer and modules and stuff like that, which so if you go to put your test light into here, you wouldn't get anything except for the two constant. There's no accessory, because the computer tells it, goes through this little signal here of these two CAN bus wire, positive CAN neg and CAN positive, and that will trigger on the head unit there. So it's just a new way of the electrical system. Right, now I'm going to go to the bench. I've prepared some of the head unit stuff already, so I'll bring you around, I'll show you what we do, and after that we'll run the mic from up here, run it down here, up to here, and then I'll show you how to put everything back together and plug it all in and do the steering wheel control. Okay, so bear with me, so I'll bring you around. Ceiling at the moment, hopefully you can see. So what we've got is you can see KBX 1PT model of it. We also get this fascia kit here. It comes with the kits, okay, for mostly 2004 and onwards. Volkswagen, okay. It comes with an antenna, which you can go for a single or double. You can put it in and push these little purple bits in, and they will lock it in place. Then I just push the trigger wire into there, so the harness, push the trigger wire into there, so it becomes like an ISO. It's then an ISO plug, like that. There. Then set back the head unit. Pretty standard stuff. So that one there will go back into the car's factory harness. Then plug it in. And that's your connection to decoder. Okay, so you see the control harness with the decoder in here. That's the patch lead that will trigger it off and plug it back into there to give it press the thing on the thing. With these, they come with these little tapping. So this unit here is actually made for either a single din or double din. With a single din, you just slide this pocket inside here. With a double din, you just cut out this. Double din unit. Okay, I'm not going to pick it out, no bother. If it's a double din, you just chop these plastic bits up here. I'll show you. Plastic bits here, you just chop it with a Stanley, make it flush, and then you can insert the double din bracket on, and then screw on the double din head unit, and then place it in. Okay. Then you've got this little surround that goes over it to make a double din. Okay. But in this application, we're doing as a single din unit. So what I can is screw this bracket onto our head unit here. Just a media player, which means there's necklace. Which means there's no moving disc or parts in there. Screw it on. Push this right against the butt of that, and then once it's in, screw it into the allocator hole. Once you've done that, just drop it into this here. And then it will clip onto the original place, okay? And then you can pop this in, pop there. So now you've got our new head unit. Okay. The harness is fairly easy. They also gives you this one here, so it's a converter, so it's got like a factor amp. These I'm pretty sure there's resistance in there, I'm not sure how many ohms or what or so, but it's got, looks like it's got resistance in there, which put a resistance to it, which has got a factor amp, so instead of having like a 5 volt going in, or sorry, say 50 watt going in, or probably reduce it down to, you know, like 15 or something. Okay, so that's if it's got a factor amp, you might need this, but on this application I don't think it will need it. So yeah, I've done this before. Pretty straightforward now. So what to do is run my microphone from the top pillar or so, or center, and then run it down, and then I'll plug this in. I'm just going to run it, so it's going to be a boring episode, so I'm going to pop it on pause, bring it back to it, and then show you towards the end. Okay guys, sorry, yeah, bring it back, run the microphone up here, run the cable down, over, down, and across to up here for the microphone. Yeah, we already showed you before that, you know, to mount it into this little fascia kit here that we got. Also, the ISO harness is pretty straightforward. Plug the steering wheel control, wire into the patch cable, plug the ISO into the ISO out of the Volkswagen harness, plug in your decoder, and then I'll show you how to do the rest. Okay, so fairly straightforward. Let's plug this into the back of the head unit like that. Okay, and we've got our antenna, plug that into as well. Okay, so that's all in. Now your microphone, put that into the mic. Okay. Your antenna, I'll redo the microphone. So your antenna, that will plug into this like so, and push all the way in, and push the tab back so it locks it, so that won't come apart now. Push your mic in again. Yes, again. Now, the only thing we've got left is plug it straight into the main harness here. So open up the tab like that. So when you push it in, that will force itself in and locks it in place. So just push it in like that. Once you push this in, it locks and it's all nicely in there and secure. Now just place that back in there, nice and neat. Just neat so you can get it. Line that back up to that. Place a couple of the torque bits in there. But before we put everything back together, let's have a quick test and see. Okay. So turn on your ignition. Turns on. Cancel demo and all that. FM. So let's check out the signal works. That works beautifully. Yep, mute. Active. So fast forward. Rewind. Fast forward. Just be changing the source from Yep, beautiful. Alright, now since that's all working and all, we turn it off. I can put the rest of the stuff back. So exactly like how we've removed it before. So with the 4 torque bits, just put it all back on how we've seen it before. So just gently realign it back. Don't do too hard because we need to align it and allocate it, see? Undo that. Undo that. Undo that. 2 seconds, just so we can align it a bit nicer. Do want to do straight perfect. There we go. Now we can secure that. More. Once we've got that, we can put our fascia kit back on again. Of course, remember to plug in the hazards, otherwise the indicator is not going to work. So just pop that in, line that in, so that there will look original sort of thing again, as good as the fascia kit will come. Put up the torque bits up there again. Torque screw, sorry. And reinsert our reinsert your little tabs up here. Okay. Voila. Now we just turn on our head unit and tune it in. Okay, so yeah, USB, aux, radio, multimedia. What more do you want? Okay guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. You got some more tips for me, let me know, put in the comments. Otherwise, give it a thumbs up, a like, and subscribe if you can. Hopefully I can make more and see you guys on the next one. Thanks, bye.